I'm in the middle of the center. I be dropping jars when I enter. Running on the post with no contender. Living like a sinner. You can be a star and a winner, even if they have more paper than a printer. I couldn't lose on my bucks in my crib. Still make you smile when I hit it like this. Never seen me with a cloud on my head. All my problems gonna walk away, you know how it is. It's what it is and I love it. Living every minute to the fullest like there's someone here to rob it. We have a ball, it's a 10 out of a 10. And my verse is gonna make it to a record in my hand. We gotta do it, we gotta do that. Then we got a DJ playing and we rock it to it. All my wheels all spinning, the world I'm living in. I make my life like every day is Thanksgiving. Let's live it. Dropping them jaws like that. Worrying about it is a thing on my past. And don't try to be mean or emotional. I'd hate to repeat that I told you so. I'm balling and I'm balling, it's a ball. As soon as I drop it, I get into a draw. You never see me with a cloud on my head. All my problems gonna walk away, you know how I live. That's right, man, I got it. Every time I roll out, I'm rich and there's no one here to rob it. It's my life, it's the only one I got. And the only one to end it with my homies at the top. We gotta do it, we gotta do it. And I'm rocking with the best like it's nothing to it. I don't need top billing, just seek fulfilling things that make my life like every day is Thanksgiving. Let's live it.
On full blast, I'll never crash, I'm unsurpassed.
Let's live it.
First they call me insane, know they love to get in my brain. Try to jump on my speeding train, cause I won the game, got it in my veins.
Let's live it.
I just wanna be free, be as happy as I can be. Bring our problems to their knees, I got the